Hi, my name is Tammy Rice-Frankfort. I'm a specialist reading teacher and a trainer of teachers, teaching assistants and parents. I'm going to demonstrate the precise pronunciation of the sounds of the English alphabetic code, also known as the English phonic code. In the UK, it is now accepted that the best way to teach most children to read is with synthetic phonics. One of the most important skills when learning to read this way is to be able to blend sounds into words, that is, to push sounds together into recognizable words. In order to do this successfully, we need to hear the sounds in their precise pronunciation. Let me explain. If you try to blend the sounds m, a, t together, you will get m a t, which will not sound like a word you might recognize. But if you blend the sounds precisely, a, t, you are likely to recognize the word mat. Saying the sounds of letters with precise pronunciation helps children hear and recognize words when they're learning to read. When we teach children to read, it is important that we model the sounds correctly ourselves, and sometimes this is difficult, as it's not the way we were taught ourselves. When I train teachers, teaching assistants and parents, they often ask where can they hear the sounds so they can correct their own pronunciation. In response to this need, I'm going to demonstrate the sounds of the English alphabetic code. Now I'm going to say the sounds and pause after each sound so that you can participate and practice the correct pronunciation. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, K, and Qu, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z, Sh, Ch, F, and V, K, W, J, A, E, O, R, ow, oo, I, air, you, oi, are, or. If you would like to download a free chart of the English alphabetic code or see decodable books that teach reading using this code, visit www.phonicbooks.co.uk.